Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing unpackaging, not an unboxing, but unpackaging. I ordered this product a couple of days ago and I just got it in the mail maybe a day or two ago. Before I get started with this video, I just want to let you guys know that I am not being paid for this in any way, shape, or form. I spent my own money for this product. I wish I was getting paid, but I'm not getting paid, unfortunately. Just in case you guys think that this is a sponsored video, it is not. Just a couple months ago, I cut my hair maybe in March or April. I think it was more in March. I gave myself an undercut because I did a relaxer, I don't know, beginning of this year, and I didn't want it, so I cut my hair off maybe about 1 inch. I left the top a little bit longer, so now I just want to grow my hair out. The product I got, I ordered from Bask Bloom. We're gonna go ahead and open up this package so I can actually talk to you guys about it. I purchased this for $12.99, a Bask Bloom thank you card. Okay, now onto the product. Well, they wrapped it pretty nice. I don't think this is a glass bottle, but it's in bubble wrapping. Stimulating herbal oil. It's a 4-ounce bottle. The purpose of me getting the oil, like I said, is to help with growing my hair back. I looked on YouTube to see if I could find people that did reviews on this particular oil, but I did not see people doing reviews. I'm gonna go ahead and read off my phone the products, like their main products that they have that I've seen on YouTube and also their website. They have a shampoo bar, more moisture cream. They have a Brahmi root hair mask, mango castor twisting cream. About the product itself, as I already mentioned, it costs $12.99. And you can use this oil 5 different ways. The first way, it can be used as a pre-poo or a hot oil treatment. The second way is for scalp massages, so you can increase blood circulation. The third way is for dryness and flaking. The fourth way is a sealant to lock in moisture. And then the last way you can use it is to add shine while taking down twists and braids. They have like 4 key ingredients. The first one is horsetail, rejuvenates hair follicles to trigger growth. I definitely like that one. I think it's pronounced calendula. It says it soothes, regenerates, and heals the scalp to aid in helping hair growth. Olive oil, excellent moisturizer, nourishes hair, absorbs quickly, repairs split ends, and makes hair shiny and silky. Castor oil has antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, so it can be effective for treating skin scalp infections like ringworm, prevents the dry and itchy scalp, and is a treatment for thinning and hair loss. Basically, I'm gonna do like a 30-day challenge for myself. And yes, it's gonna be a challenge because normally I do not like to stick with using a product. After I start using a hair product or any kind of product for that matter, I'll use it for about a week or 2 and then I just give up. I don't know why, that's just what I do. I'm gonna start it tomorrow because today is the 19th and I want to start it on an even day. Don't ask me why, that's just what I want to do. I do have a couple other products that I will be using along with this, so I'm not going to be using this alone. That is it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about this product, like I said, just leave it in the comment section below. I don't know much about the product, so I can't really answer any comments. Subscribe if you aren't already. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on if you are already subscribed to my channel. I will see you guys probably in about 2 weeks to give you an update on this hair oil. See you guys next time. Peace.